Gove, the car drone hybrid of the future. At the recent GAC Tech Day in China, one invention stole the spotlight. A futuristic vehicle so advanced it's been called transportation of the day after tomorrow. This groundbreaking machine combines a car and a drone, capable of operating together or separately. It can travel on roads or in the air, with routes set either via monitor controls or voice commands. Thanks to its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) ability, it can lift off from almost anywhere, all powered entirely by electricity. A real passenger test has already been completed successfully, but details like production dates and technical specs remain under wraps. For now, we can only look to predictions, with companies like Hyundai expecting urban air transport to become a reality by the end of this decade. FreeAim VR shoes. Walk naturally in virtual worlds. FreeAim VR shoes deliver one of the most realistic and immersive ways to walk in virtual reality. Imagine moving like you're on a treadmill. Your feet step naturally, but you stay in place, avoiding any collisions with walls or furniture. They're compatible with most games and apps that use joystick movement and work seamlessly with Steam VR-supported headsets, including the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. You don't need a massive space either. Just 2 by 2 meters is enough to explore endless worlds. Future versions will support running and accommodate users weighing up to 120 kilograms. For now, you can sign up for updates and be ready when the next level of VR movement arrives. Jedsy, redefining drone delivery. The global drone delivery market is projected to hit $54 billion by 2028. And Swiss company Jedsy is already making waves. They offer 3 smart delivery options. The drone can land on the ground, dock on a special window frame, or drop packages via parachute. With a top speed of 144 kilometers per hour, a 100-kilometer range per charge, and an ultra-quiet 30 decibel noise level, softer than a whisper, Jedsy drones are built for efficiency and discretion. While these drones can handle various delivery tasks, the company is especially focused on medical transport, ensuring critical supplies reach hospitals and clinics quickly. Jedsy is also on the lookout for operators, engineers, and programmers to join their innovative team. Efficient hydrogen car, the future of clean mobility. The RXD, developed by brilliant minds at Delft University of Technology, isn't just powered by the future. It's helping create it. This marvel of engineering can travel over 2,000 kilometers on just 1 kilogram of hydrogen, setting a new benchmark for sustainable transportation. Its sleek, aerodynamic body isn't just for looks. It's designed for maximum efficiency. Powered by a cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cell, the RXD silently transforms hydrogen into electricity, delivering a smooth, quiet ride while emitting nothing but pure water vapor. Every detail of this eco-friendly machine is crafted with precision, ensuring performance and sustainability go hand in hand. While its price remains under wraps, it represents more than a purchase. It's an investment in a cleaner, greener planet, where mobility and environmental care coexist seamlessly. Red Shark Water Bike. Cycling meets paddle boarding. The Red Shark Water Bike is a groundbreaking creation that fuses the thrill of cycling with the serenity of paddleboarding, bringing a whole new experience to water sports. Designed by Joseph Ruau, the mind behind the legendary Tramontana supercar, this unique watercraft features an inflatable paddleboard attached to a lightweight, bicycle-like frame. Pedaling drives a propeller beneath the board, smoothly propelling you across the water. One of its standout features is versatility. The bike frame can be detached, instantly transforming the setup into a traditional stand-up paddleboard. And if you want more options, RedShark offers conversion kits so you can switch between enjoy, fitness, or adventure models. Multimodal Mobility M4, the shape-shifting robot transformers are back, but this time without Michael Bay's explosions. At the California Institute of Technology, engineers have developed the M4 robot, a compact yet powerful machine that can morph to meet almost any challenge. M4 can switch from a car into a drone, cruise on two wheels, or even tumble across terrain to navigate obstacles. Though its final size is still being refined, its versatility makes it a potential game-changer for space exploration or emergency rescue missions, including evacuating injured people from hard-to-reach places. Powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, a small but mighty AI-optimized computer, the M4 draws design inspiration from partridges and sea lions. Enercon climbing crane. Scaling the future of wind power. As global wind energy rapidly grows, with China alone aiming for 1,500 gigawatts of offshore wind capacity by 2050, the need for specialized equipment has never been greater. Enter the Enercon LCC 140, a powerful climbing crane capable of lifting up to 140 tons and scaling wind turbines like a mechanical caterpillar. It can reach towering heights of 155 meters with ease. While assembly takes around 24 hours and requires 11 trucks for transport, it occupies just 500 square meters, significantly less than many traditional tracked cranes. This compact footprint not only boosts efficiency but also reduces traffic disruption, making it ideal for projects near highways or busy interchanges.